Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Let's take a look again on the cryptocurrencies as we usually do on Thursday. So here we finally see some kind of the reaction on the resistance area. As we warned that actually we have intraday 31. So here we see that market starts to reaction on the resistance area. So since it's this weekly chart, we should treat the levels actually as a ranges. So this is not some precise number. 27.98 market has to immediately start dropping from this level. So this is more like the range around it, and especially if you have also natural lows here, it's very important level around 30 even, and also intraday target that we have 31. So market just has completed it. I'm just talking from the technical point of view. Of course we have some probably fundamental background for that. Some statistics have released recently, but based on the technical picture, market has completed 31 target and shows some minor reaction. Here is more important is what reaction will be. Currently we treat it as a pullback, because once again from the technical point of view, here market has not bad chances to proceed higher, just because take a look, we have the clearly acceleration right from the bottom of the right arm. Here's some fast action, and usually from technical point of view, once retracement will be over, this market should keep going higher. As the target of this retracement, ultimate target, probably we could use 25.50 area where the neckline stands, because if market returns right back down after completing the minimum targets, OP is done. So actually we could treat this hand shoulders as a completed pattern because it has reached minimum requirement target. If it drop below the 25 back in the body of the hand shoulders, that will be bearish sign and significantly increased chances that no upward continuation will happen. So it means that to proceed high and keep bullish context, market has to stay somehow above 25.50 area. So this is important conclusion that we could make from the weekly chart. On the daily chart, market actually behaves as we suggested. So we said that we're considering here the hand shoulders, and on Monday when we talked about this, we said that keep an eye on this minor on the performance on intraday charts. Here is minor hand shoulders is forming, and if you would like to, you could take the short position. Currently you can see the downward action is started. Trend stands bearish. Existence of the divergence where the MACD suggests that market should drop and taken out of these lows between these two tops. It's based on the divergence idea. Oversold stands lower, so it doesn't prevent actually downward action. And take a look, it's very close to the hour invalidation point 25.16 approximately. So where's neckline actually stand. So potentially, as you can see, that market could form this head and shoulders, and theoretically the target might be precisely back to the neckline when market could retest it with this ABCD, complete the head and shoulders, and then reestablish the upward action. This is perfect scenario for the bulls. Correspondingly, how market will perform with this head and shoulders, what will happen around 25 area, that will be vital question for everybody. So fast drop, acceleration to the XOP based on the head and shoulders clearly will be bearish and increased chances that upward action might be over. If it will be gradual retracement, completion of the ABCD right around 25, that's great. So for the bulls, this will be good opportunity to take the new long position and possible upward continuation. So that's what we intend to keep an eye on within the nearest weeks. Meantime, we're dealing with this hand and shoulders pattern. On the 4 time frame chart, you could see this is our minor pattern. This has started well, and actually market already has completed nearest standing target, which is the OP. It agrees with the 28.83 nearest fib support, and let's take a look at this previous upper border of the consolidation. So here market stands at some support, so we could get some minor pullback here in the nearest few hours, and today, tomorrow, probably market could show some reaction. At the same time, if you will take a look with the more details on this performance, you could see interesting thing that actually we have acceleration once again but now in downside direction, which is also brings not bad chances to proceed lower after the pullback will happen. We could, well, chances on reaching XOP stands not bad. It's 27.35. And based on the general daily analysis and also the daily chart, we have another reasons to suggest that it should be deeper drop. So divergence, as we said, head and shoulders, and so on. Besides, currently you can see that some downside sentiment on stock market. So we could take a look at the S&P, take a look at the DAX index. So stock markets are also turning south, and actually that might be some whole process, including the cryptocurrencies. So that being said, for those who trade on the higher time frames, on the daily, weekly, this is not time yet for taking the new long position. Your level will be supposedly right now it's around 25.50. So you're just watching what will happen. Those who trade Bitcoin on the intraday charts do not consider currently long positions, because we have the bearish context on the daily, we have bearish patterns. So you could wait for some minor pullback here and consider taking the short position with the target around 27.35. That's the nearest scenario that we could get. Potentially, maybe market even could slip slightly lower just to get the more or less horizon neckline for the hand and shoulders pattern. So actually this action to the XOP, it's actually moving to the neckline. So that's what we have currently on the crypto. And then let's see what will happen.